Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM of Imphal West, Sorokhaibam Sadananda, has rejected closure reports submitted by Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) in connection with alleged fake encounter killing of two civilians, Namairakpam Govind and Namairakpam Nobo, on April 4, 2009. The CBI had sought closure of the case, citing lack of sufficient evidence, but the court found prima facie material suggesting culpable homicide under sections 302-34 of the IPC. The case originated from a reported encounter by a combined team of Imphal West Commando personnel and 39 Assam Rifles near Lumpel Game Village Road, which the Justice Hegde Commission later described as a deliberate operation, not a genuine encounter. The court observed that both victims were civilians with no criminal antecedents and ruled that no prosecution sanction is required against 10 police personnel and 2 Assam Rifles personnel involved, as their actions were not part of official duty. CJM criticized the CBI for relying solely on the magisterial inquiry report while ignoring the contradictory findings of the Justice Hegde Commission. Consequently, the court has taken cognizance of the offences against 12 accused personnel and directed issuance of summons for their appearance on November 25, 2025 for furnishing bonds and initiating committal proceedings.